Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students. Welcome back class 7th in your mathematics class. I hope you all have understood the basic concepts of algebra. So today I am going to teach you how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. So first we'll understand how to add monomials. So here we have a question: minus 40 mn minus 30 mn plus 18 mn. We have to add these monomials. So first we write minus 40 mn plus minus 30 mn plus 18 mn. Now minus 40 mn plus minus, so we write here minus 30 mn, then we have plus 18 mn. Now first we solve these two terms. Here we have minus, here we have minus, minus minus plus. It means that we have to add 40 and 30. So first we add this numeric value. So 40 and 30 we get 7, right? Now we write this variable here. Now the sign, we'll write the sign here minus, then plus 18 mn. Now we have minus and plus here, then minus plus minus. So we subtract 70 and 18. So we get here 52 mn, and we put the sign of a bigger number. Here the bigger number is 70 and the sign of 70 is minus. So we put negative sign here. Remember, we can add and subtract the like terms only. Okay. Here all the terms are like. See, here is mn, here is mn, here is mn. So we can add or subtract these terms because they are like terms. Now see this one. We have to add this. So first we write 4 by 5 ab cube plus minus 2 by 3 ab cube plus 1 upon 2 ab cube plus 3 upon 4 ab cube. Now what we do here, 4 upon 5 ab cube, 4 upon 5 ab cube plus minus minus 2 upon 3 ab cube, then plus 1 upon 2 ab cube plus 3 upon 4 ab cube. Now we will solve for these two terms. Or you can they all are in fractions, so you can first we'll find out the LCM of all the denominators. So the LCM of 5, 3, 2 and 4 is 60, right? So we write here 60. You all know how to add or subtract fraction. We'll apply that method here also. Now we divide 5 and 60 here. So we get here 12 and we multiply 12 and 4. So here we get 48 ab cube. Then minus, we write minus here. Then again we divide the denominator by LCM. Here we get 20 and we multiply 20 by 2. We get 40 ab cube. Then here we get 30 ab cube and here we get 45 ab cube. Now plus minus minus, so we subtract 48 and 40. Here we get 8 ab cube plus 30 ab cube plus 45 ab cube upon 60. Now 8 plus 30 plus 40, what we get here, 83. 3ab cube by 60. This is your required answer. Now, addition of polynomials. There are two methods to solve polynomials. First is column method and second is horizontal method. So first we'll solve this question by column method. First what we do, we arrange polynomial in order under one and another, and we place like terms in the same column. So first we write here 3p square plus 2pq. Now under we place the like terms in the same column. Here we have p square, here we have p square. So we write this 3p square under this, and we write minus 7pq here. Now we add. Okay. Now see here. Plus plus plus. 3 plus 3, 6p square. Plus minus minus. We here put the sign of a bigger number, so we place negative sign here. And here we get 5pq. This is column method. Now we'll solve the same question by horizontal method. Now what we have to do, we have to add these two expressions, right? So first we'll write 3p square plus 2pq plus 3p square minus 7pq. Okay. Now our next step is we group the like terms. First we group the like terms. Here is p square, here is p square. So we group it 3p square plus 3p square. Now 2pq and minus 7pq. So we write here 2pq minus 7pq. Now we'll solve the like terms. First we solve this. Here we get 6p square, and on solving this you will get the answer minus 5pq. This is your required answer. We cannot subtract unlike terms. So this is our required answer. Now look at this example. Here we have to add three expressions by using column method. So first we add these two expressions by using column method. So we here write 4a square plus 6a minus 8. Now we place the like terms in the same column. Here we have minus a square, so we write this term in this column. So here we write minus a square. Now we have 11, that is we have only numerical part here. So we will write here plus 11. Now we will add this. So here we get plus minus minus, and 4 minus 1 we have 3a square. We write plus 6a as it is, and here we get plus 3. Now we'll add this expression by this. Now write here 3a square plus 6a plus 3, and 6a square minus 3a plus 2. Now add this. 3 plus 6, 9a square, and here plus minus minus, and we put the sign of a bigger number, so here we place the positive sign here. Now we get here 3a, and here we get plus 5. So 9a square plus 3a plus 5 is your required answer. This is how we add three algebraic expression by column method. Now see this question. Here we have to solve it by horizontal method. So our first step is we collect like terms together. So first we have 30 by 11x cube. Then we have this minus 1 by 11x cube. Then we have plus 5 by 11x cube. Right? Now minus 12 by 7x square. Then we have plus 5 by 7x square. Now we have plus 10 by 3x. Then we have minus 1 by 3x. Then we have minus 3 minus 12 by 5 and plus 2 by 5. So we have collected all the like terms together. Here we have, these are the groups of like terms we have collected, right? Now we will solve the like terms. So here you can see that the denominators are same, so we can solve this very easily. Here we have plus 13 and here we have minus 1. So here we get plus minus minus. So here we get 12x cube by 11 minus 5 by 11x cube. Now we will solve these two terms. Here also the denominators are same, so we will subtract 12 and 5. So here we get 7 minus 7x square by 7. Now this, here also the denominators are same, so here we get plus 9x by 3. And here we have minus 3 by 1, right? So first we solve these two fractions. On solving these two fractions, you will get minus 27 by 5, and we will copy this fraction as it is here. Now we will solve these two. So here we get 12 plus 5. Here we get 17 x cube by 11, and here minus 7x square by 7, and here we have 9x by 3. Now we solve these two fractions. On solving this, you will get minus 25 by 5. Now 17x cube by 11, this 7 cancel out. Here we get x square, and 3 1 times, 3 times, so here we get 3x, and here 5 1 times, 5 times, so here we get minus 5. So we have solved all the like terms. So this is your required answer.